In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect the Dynas Tower Pro to Coastal Plentycore Plus and Plentycore BI. Step 1. Inverter structural installation. Place and fix the bracket on the wall. Then fit inverter onto bracket. Also fix the device with a screw at intended point. Step 2. Battery assembly. Place the base on ground. Remove screws on both sides to separate BDU from the base and level the base. Stack modules finish with BDU at top. Tighten the screws. Step 3. Electrical connection. Before connection, ensure all switches are off. Connect the grounding cable. Strip off 2 cm insulation. Insert stripped cable into connector. Clamp it, then reassemble the connector. Lock the connectors into BDU. It is strongly recommended to install a DC breaker between inverter and battery for electrical protection. Make cable termination like battery side and lock the connectors into DC 3-port. Remove cover to review smart communication board. Connect AC cable, smart meter, etc. according to operation manual. Dynas has prepared a standard 2 meters communication cable. Disassemble waterproof connector. Insert RJ45 plug into the connector. Then reassemble the connector. Lock the connector onto BDU. Cut off RJ45 plug at inverter side. Keep only orange and white-orange wires of communication cable. Guide the cable through gland. Connect orange wire to port B and white-orange wire to port A on terminal X601. Reinstall the cover. Step 4. Commissioning. Turn on switches in turn. Afterwards, switch on power on switch on BDU and long press wake button 10 seconds until indicator lights on. Complete initial commissioning by following instructions on display. After completing initial commissioning, log in web server with IP address shown on display and input activation code on the column to activate the battery function. System configuration. Select Dynas in battery type column and make other settings as per customer's requirements. Step 5. Double check. Normal indicator and battery status means successful commissioning.